Looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank? We've got you covered. From innovative designs to precision printing, these budget-friendly 3D printers are perfect for beginners and pros alike. Stay tuned as we dive into the best affordable 3D printers of 2025. Want more details or to grab one of these printers? Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome tech finds. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra Neo represents a significant advancement in the realm of 3D printing, combining user-friendly design with impressive capabilities. This printer is ideal for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts, offering a streamlined setup process and an intuitive interface that makes getting started a breeze. One of its standout features is the auto bed leveling system, which ensures that the print surface is perfectly calibrated for optimal adhesion and precision. This means users can spend less time fiddling with adjustments and more time creating their designs. The Cobra Neo also boasts a generous build volume, allowing for larger projects or multiple smaller prints to be completed in a single session. In terms of print quality, the Cobra Neo does not disappoint. It utilizes advanced technology to deliver smooth, detailed prints with minimal stringing or imperfections. This is further enhanced by the printer's compatibility with a wide range of filament materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, making it a versatile choice for various projects. Additionally, the Anycubic Cobra Neo features a sleek design that fits comfortably in any workspace. Its quiet operation ensures that it won't disrupt your environment, a welcome feature for those who prefer to work in peace. With a user-friendly touchscreen interface, navigating through settings and options is straightforward, making it accessible even for those new to 3D printing. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra Neo stands out in a crowded market, providing an excellent balance of performance, ease of use, and affordability. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a remarkable addition to the world of desktop 3D printing, building upon the success of its predecessors with a host of enhancements that cater to both beginners and experienced makers alike. This model features an upgraded build volume, allowing for larger prints without compromising on detail or quality. The bed leveling system has also seen significant improvements, making it easier to achieve precision with less hassle, which is a crucial aspect for those new to 3D printing. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 V3 SE is its enhanced print speed, which allows users to produce high-quality prints in a fraction of the time compared to earlier models. This efficiency is complemented by the printer's ability to handle a diverse range of filament types, expanding the creative possibilities for users. Whether you're looking to print intricate designs, functional prototypes, or artistic creations, this printer is versatile enough to meet your needs. In addition to its technical upgrades, the Ender 3 V3 SE boasts a user-friendly interface with an intuitive touchscreen display, making navigation through settings and print options seamless. The printer is also designed with safety features such as thermal runaway protection, ensuring peace of mind during long printing sessions. Number 3. Eligo Mars 3, a remarkable entry in the realm of resin 3D printing, showcasing advancements that make it a standout choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Mars 3 features a high-resolution monochrome LCD screen that delivers stunning detail and precision in prints. With a resolution of 4K, users can expect crisp and sharp outputs, allowing for intricate designs and fine details to be captured with ease. One of the most notable improvements in the Mars 3 is its printing speed. The monochrome LCD not only enhances the quality of prints, but also significantly reduces curing time compared to traditional color screens. This means that users can produce high-quality models faster, making it an efficient option for those looking to maximize productivity without compromising on quality. The build volume of the Eligo Mars 3 is also impressive, providing ample space for printing larger models or multiple smaller ones in a single session. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for a range of applications, from miniatures and prototypes to detailed figurines and custom designs. Additionally, the Mars 3 comes with user-friendly software that simplifies the slicing process, making it accessible even for those new to 3D printing. The intuitive interface allows users to easily adjust settings, optimize prints, and monitor the printing process in real time. Moreover, the build quality of the Mars 3 is robust, ensuring durability and reliability during extended use. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra 2 a remarkable advancement in the world of 3D printing, designed to meet the needs of enthusiasts and professionals alike. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Cobra 2 offers a variety of enhanced features that significantly improve the user experience and printing capabilities. One of the standout features of the Cobra 2 is its impressive print speed, allowing users to complete projects in record time without sacrificing quality. This is particularly beneficial for those who require rapid prototyping or wish to produce multiple models in a short time frame. Additionally, the printer's robust build quality ensures durability and stability during operation, which is crucial for achieving high-precision prints. The Cobra 2 also boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. Its large touchscreen display simplifies navigation through settings and print options, while the intuitive design minimizes the learning curve for beginners. Moreover, Anycubic has integrated advanced features such as automatic bed leveling, which reduces setup time and enhances print reliability. Another noteworthy aspect of the Cobra 2 is its compatibility with a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU. This versatility allows users to experiment with different materials and textures, expanding their creative possibilities. The printer's heated bed also helps to improve adhesion and reduce warping, resulting in cleaner and more accurate prints. Number 1. Eligo Neptune 3 Pro is an impressive addition to the world of 3D printing, showcasing a blend of user-friendly features and advanced technology that appeals to both beginners and experienced makers alike. One of its standout features is the large build volume, which provides ample space for creating a wide variety of projects, from intricate miniatures to larger functional parts. Additionally, the Neptune 3 Pro is equipped with a high-precision, dual-gear extruder that ensures consistent filament flow and reduces the risk of clogs, contributing to smoother prints and improved quality. Its advanced auto bed leveling system simplifies the setup process, allowing users to achieve the perfect first layer with minimal hassle, which is often a point of frustration for those new to 3D printing. With a sleek design and a sturdy frame, the Neptune 3 Pro is built to last and can handle the rigors of regular use. The printer also boasts a user-friendly touchscreen interface that makes navigating settings and monitoring prints intuitive and straightforward. The device supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials for their projects. Moreover, its compatibility with open-source software allows for customization and upgrades, appealing to tech-savvy users who enjoy fine-tuning their printing experience.